Hi, I just have finished this script and I would like to make this video to introduce how to use this script. And as you can see here, we have example project that you sent me, and here the script I just created. And we need to create one default Excel file. You can see here, there is nothing here. It's just empty. It's just the default Excel file, and we need this file. And here, now I'm going to select a solid. Example, I select two solid, this one, and just need to space to select. Alignment, we will choose actually. I don't know pronounce this word. Okay, choose file Excel. We need to choose the Excel file I just created here. Sheet name, you can write anything you want. Like here, example, I just write case 1, and distance I will set 2 meters. You can set any number you want, because here just from 0 to 5 meters, so I set 2 meters. And refresh for another run if you want to create a new one. Okay, and now you just run. So you can see station from start area distance 2 meters, 2, 4, and the last station 5.925 be the same like here. Okay, and we select two solid, right? So here we have 4 column: solid 1 bottom, solid 1 top, solid 2 bottom, solid 2 top, and you can see here empty because as you can see station 0 and the end location is not class. You see here station 0 here, and station the end is not class with the solid, so that's why here is empty. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you.